Get out fast, brother. Oh shit. Yeah, no, he's good. He's good. It's the one with the red sleeves.
Oh, that's him?
Yeah, that's him.
Damn, I thought somebody was trapped in there. I know, but the fuel's leaking.
All right, brother. Yeah, get out the way. Get your wallet and leave. Hey, look.
Hey.
Leave that shit right there.
I know,
Look.
come on, man. I know you're fucking startled. Get away.
Yeah, look. Diesel
Come on.
is coming out of
Look
there.
at us back here, too.
Yeah,
Get the fuck away
get
from
the
it.
fuck. You got your license? Right here. Come over here.
Got it.
Come here.
You
Come
need
here.
a phone?
Come here. Come here. Hey, stop them right there. Stop them guys. Hey, come over here right there. Leave that shit right there. All right. That way right here. Yeah, go sit right there, brother.
Come on, bro. Let's go over there. I'm headed that way. Oh, thank you. Call someone. All right. They pulled him to the boss.
Yeah, you need to go. You need to go there. You forget about that thing right there. I know you worry about it, but
No. You got all that fuel leaking. Hey, watch your back, bro, because that shit's leaking.
yeah, you come over here too. That thing is leaking. Yeah, traffic can go. Traffic can make it by itself. Yeah, you need to come over here too. Leaking fuel. Holy shit. Damn. Man, thanks God, he's good.
He's okay. He's over there. Right there.
Damn.
Hey, this lady's a nurse right here. That there's a nurse.
Red sleeves right there. It looks fine, but you know, he might be nervous, and you can tell him what.